What is up guys, I hope you're having a good day today. Today we're going to be looking at the PGAlta microphones by Shure. The PGADRUMKit 6-piece microphone kit is the perfect introduction for all you guys who want to record their drums. They come in at a cheaper price than the regular Shure microphones, but these do not scrimp on any quality at all. In the Drumkit mic set, you get a PGA52, which is a cardio mic, ideal for kick drums. 2 PGA56s, again cardio mics, perfect for the snare and tom. A PGA57 designed to amplify acoustics for the snare, and 2 PGA81s, which are condensers, ideal for your overheads for your cymbals. Also included in this kit, you get 3 microphone clips, 2 drum mounts, and 6 XLR cables, which are roughly 15 feet long each. And let's not forget the nice carry case you get with it too. Okay, enough talk, let's see what the quality's like. I'm going to mic up the kit using everything that's included with the microphone kit. So there you have it. After hearing back a few times, the quality is really good, and later down the line, if you want to invest in an SM57, you can just add it to the arsenal of this little kit. So thank you very much for watching. If you've got any questions, please leave a comment below, and see you in the next one.